Hey everyone, it's Chanel again. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm making General Tso Chicken, and I chose to make it with chicken tenderloins today. It's the chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs if you prefer it. I actually love chicken thighs with it, but I was just being lazy. So you're actually going to pound the meat. You can do this with a spoon. You could do it with a flat knife, whatever you want, okay? Just cut it up into pieces. Then you're going to take one egg, put about a small amount of water, just whisk it together and pour it in. I used potato starch. You can also use cornstarch if that's all you have, if you can't find the potato starch. So you're going to pour it in and you're going to start to incorporate it and mix it. So I was using tongs, as you'll see, and I just was not feeling it. It wasn't for me. So I decided to say, "Hey, I'm moving this to the side and use what God gave me. My hands is the best tools you could ever have." So I'm incorporating it. Make sure you already have your oil preheated. You dump your chicken, but make sure you don't put too many and crowd the pot because this is starch, so it will overflow the pot. It did happen to me, not in this take, but a few times after. So after you see it golden brown, you're going to take them out and you're going to put them on a paper towel and let them drain. So you want to get as much grease off of it as possible, okay? But look at that golden brown and how nice and crunchy it is because you want it crispy. General Tso chicken is not good when it's soggy. It's disgusting. So make sure that it's golden brown and make sure that it's crispy, okay? So this is actually the slow motion of it. My husband did a great job in this take. Look how good that looks. So after that, you're gonna have a General Tso sauce. I actually used the one from BJ's, and I had it in my pantry and everything. So I'm just trying to utilize everything I have in my pantry so that I could do a new shopping. You're gonna incorporate that very well, and you're gonna pour some sesame seeds over it. So I love the sesame seed taste, the little crunch that it gives as well. And then you're going to garnish it with cut up scallions, okay? So you could use as little or as much as you want. So then we're going to make the fried rice to go with it. So this is a takeout at home. So I really botched these eggs because I went to go and get another spatula. But once they go into the pan, you're going to start mixing. So you're going to keep them busy, okay? Mix, mix, mix. Take them out into a separate bowl and then add in your vegetables. You could use whatever vegetables you want. I decided to defrost some frozen carrots and peas that I had and just start to move them around. You just want everything hot. Then I use day old rice. So we had white rice the night before. You put it in the fridge. You take it out the next day. Boom, fried rice. So you put it in. Then you're going to add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I would suggest a dark soy sauce for the color as well as a thicker one. This is what I had on hand, so this is what I'm using. Also, rice vinegar. It gives it a great taste, and oyster sauce. So I used about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, okay? So then after that, you're going to incorporate all of the flavors together. So mix, 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 and you see that beautiful color. Look at that. So after that, you're going to put some minced garlic right in the middle of the pan because you don't want to burn it. I don't do it in the beginning. And then you're going to incorporate it with the egg. So you mix it up, and then there you go. That's how you make some quick and easy fried rice. And you could garnish it with the scallions on top. I actually like it mixed in. So I mix it in and put it on top because I love scallions. So here I'm just adding the pepper on top. So there you go. This is an easy recipe. It's a takeout and it's delicious. So General Tso chicken with some easy fried rice, okay? Enjoy and please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any requests, please link it below.